stop learning because life never stops teaching. A very good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, and all our awesome and dedicated teachers and my dear friends. I am Aditri Rai Shirvastav from class 9B and I am here to welcome you all for a special assembly of a momentous day which marks the beginning of preparations for spring season, which is celebrated as Basant Panchami. This holiday is dedicated to Devi Saraswati, the goddess of learning, music, and arts. In ancient times, goddess Saraswati used to be worshipped before the initiation of a child's study. Since ancient days, there has been a ritual of writing Bij mantra of goddess Saraswati, Om, as the first syllable of education. On this auspicious day, many parents make it a point to sit with their young kids to make them study or write their first word Om to begin their studies. As per the teachings of sacred textbooks, great poet Kalidas and the great sages like Valmiki, Vishwamitra and Vyas became successful only by the worship of goddess Saraswati.
Thought for the day is God is the best listener. You don't need to shout nor cry out loud. He hears even the very silent prayers of a sincere heart.
Hello everyone. Now, today's headlines. Delhi Public School, Gomti Nagar Extension celebrates Basant Panchami by worshipping Goddess Saraswati. Even during this pandemic, online classes are made interesting with different online games and quizzes. Good news for the nation as we see a fall in COVID cases. Thank you.
देखो देखो बसंत ऋतु है आई, अपने साथ खेतों में हरियाली लाई. Hello everyone, I'm Swati of class 9B. As we know that the season of spring, or as we say Basant, is arriving. And at this time people celebrate Basant Panchami, which is also known as Saraswati Puja. It falls on the Panchami of the Shukla Paksh in the month of February. The festival marks the preparations for the arrival of spring season or Basant. And people, mostly students, worship goddess Saraswati, who is considered the goddess of knowledge, art, and music. People worship goddess Saraswati on this day as it is considered very auspicious, especially to start a child's education. Many honor the goddess Saraswati by waking up early and dressing up in yellow attires and eating and sharing yellow sweets and snacks and performing puja to her deity.
आज मैं आपके समक्ष एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। इसका शीर्षक है वसंत ऋतु। सबका हृदय खिल खिल जाए, मस्ती में सब गाए गीत महान, नाचे गाए सब मन बहलाए। जब बसंत अपने रंग बिरंगे रंग दिखाए, खिलकर फूल गुलाबी इठलाए, चारों ओर मंद मंद खुशबू फैलाए, प्रकृति भी नए नए रूप दिखाए। जब बसंत अपने रंग बिरंगे रंग दिखाए, सूरज की लाली सबको भाए। देख बसंत, वृक्ष भी अपनी शाखा लहराए, खुला नीला आसमान सबके मन को हर्षाए। जब बसंत अपने रंग बिरंगे रंग दिखाए।
So now, this marvelous assembly has come to an end. Thank you for joining us. May you have a great Basant Panchami.